Hello everyone and welcome to another video from All Plus ESL. In today's video, we are going to learn how to describe our family members using one of the most important verbs in English. That is the verb to be. And remember that we use the present simple forms of the verb to be, which are am, is, and are. And in this case, we can use it to describe the members in our family. For example, you can use the verb to be to talk about our family members' age, their profession, their moods and feelings, their nationality, and even their marital status. So, for example, I can talk about the age by saying, my brother is 25 years old. I can also talk about their profession. For example, I can say, my sister is a teacher. I can also talk about their moods and feelings. For example, I can say, my mother is happy today. In the same manner, I can also use the verb to be to talk about their nationality. For example, I can say, my sister is from Mexico, or I can say, my sister is Mexican. Now, let's go ahead and listen to the following conversation between two friends, Alex and Sam, to see an example of these descriptions in action.
Hey, Sam, is that a photo of your brother?
Yes, it is. His name is Leo.
Oh, cool. Is he a student?
No, he isn't. He is a chef at a French restaurant. He is very busy today because it's the weekend.
Nice. How old is he?
He is 25 years old.
He looks very happy in this picture.
He is usually a very happy person, but today he is tired.
I understand. Is he American?
No, he is Canadian, but he lives in New York now.
That's great. Does he have a wife?
Yes, he is married, and he is also a father. He has 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter.
Awesome. Thank you for telling me about your brother. I would love to meet him.
Sure. Next time he is in town, I'll introduce you to him.
Sounds good. Hey, I gotta go, but we'll continue this conversation next time.
Okay, see ya!
Okay, everyone, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video on how to use the verb to be to describe your family. I'll see you on the next video.